Intertools is the first DIY value comparison site. Compare price, service and availability from leading UK retailers.
As always, to view or purchase any products coming up in today's video, please click the links in the description below. Let's get started. DeWalt 54 voltage FlexVolt chainsaw is part of the Intelligent XR lithium-ion range designed for efficiency and making applications faster. It also features FlexVolt technology, which provides cordless power tools with the equivalent runtime and performance of corded tools. This chainsaw has a high efficiency and performance brushless motor which can deliver up to 6x6 cuts per charge. The DCM 575 has an extensive overmold for extra grip and user comfort, even over prolonged periods of operation. The chain can be quickly adjusted with the tool-free bar fitment, while the automatic oiling system ensures the chain is properly oiled for a better quality cut and reduced maintenance. DeWalt Industrial Tool Company is a worldwide manufacturer of power tools and hand tools for the construction, manufacturing and woodworking industries as well as DIY. The features include the following: a 40cm organ bar and chain. The chain speed is 15 meters per second. It has a variable speed trigger so there is no pull starting and has improved control in operation. It includes automatic oiling. It has tool-free bar fitment and chain tensioning. Also has high efficiency with the brushless motor. The specifications include the following: the voltage is 54 with a bar length of 40cm. The cuts per charge is 130 and the oil capacity is 110 to 120 milliliters. The sound power uncertainty is 100.5 weighted decibels and the sound pressure uncertainty is 80.5 weighted decibels. And finally, the hand or arm weighted vibration is 3.5 meters per squared. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools. Catch you later.